Hello friends, welcome to online lecture series. This is the fifth lecture of your unit number 2 phase rule. So in our previous lecture we discussed about one pair partially miscible liquids. One pair partially miscible liquids, and today I will start a new theory, that is two pair partially miscible liquids. Okay, so this theory is completely based on our previous lecture. This theory is completely based on our previous lecture. All the explanation are same. All the explanation are same. So I request to you, please see our previous lecture, because this theory is completely based on previous lecture. If you know all the points of our previous lecture, then you can easily write about two pair system. This is completely based on previous. Okay, so first one is consider with three liquids, capital A, capital B and capital C. At that time, two pairs of out of three are partially miscible. It means here A and B and A and C. Here liquid A and B and liquid A and C. It means this is the one pair and this is the second pair. Two pairs are partially miscible, while capital B and C are completely mixed. It means it form homogeneous solution. Liquid A and B is partially miscible liquid, same as liquid A and C is partially miscible liquids. Okay, so in our previous lecture we discussed about what is the partially miscible liquids, what is the timeline, what do you mean by critical or plate point, what do you mean by binodal curve. So I request to you, please see our previous lecture, because this theory contain many more words which are based on our previous theory. Okay, so first one is consider three liquids, capital A, capital B and capital C, such that capital A and B and A and C are partially miscible in each other, while capital B and C is completely miscible with each other. It means it form homogeneous solution, it form only one phase system, while capital A and B and capital A and C is partially miscible. Partially miscible means some amount of A and B are dissolved while another amount remain as it is. So it form heterogeneous system. Capital A and capital B, same as capital A and capital C, form heterogeneous system, while capital B and capital C is completely mixed together. It means it form homogeneous system. Here system will become homogeneous and here heterogeneous. Okay, so partially miscible in each other, B and C are completely miscible in each other. Okay, so this is the ternary phase diagram. This small line indicates tie line. This small line indicates tie line. It denotes mutual composition of two liquids. Mutual composition of two liquids. And here this point D and F is known as critical point or plate point, and this curve is known as binodal curve. Okay, so first one is, what is the meaning of binodal curve? Binodal curve separate two phases. Binodal curve is one type of boundary. It separate two phases because inside the binodal curve system becomes heterogeneous. Inside the binodal curve system becomes heterogeneous, and outside of this two binodal curve system becomes homogeneous. Because of here we can see that capital A and capital B are partially miscible with each other, same as capital A and capital C is partially miscible with each other. So it form heterogeneous system. Okay, so binodal curve drawn on AB, it inside the binodal curve system becomes heterogeneous, same as here also system is heterogeneous, while outside of this binodal curve system becomes homogeneous. Now ternary phase diagram is shown as below. As shown in figure 2, binodal curve, first one is A, small a, capital D, small b. Small a, capital D, small b. First one is A, D, B, and second one is small c, C, F, D, C, F, small d. Two binodal curve are given. Okay, so as shown figure, two binodal curve ADB and CFD obtained within the binodal curve system becomes heterogeneous, but outside of the binodal curve system becomes homogeneous, and of the binodal curve system becomes homogeneous. It means outside the binodal curve all the three components A, B and C are completely mixed. Here outside of the binodal curve component A, B and C is completely mixed. Okay, so 2 points, first one is D and F. These 2 points known as critical point or plate point. Critical point or plate point means, in our previous lecture we discussed about that. Critical point means where two ends of tie line merge at such point, it is known as critical or plate point. Okay, so two different points D and F are known as critical or plate point of two heterogeneous system at which two endpoints of tie line merge into one another and system becomes homogeneous. Okay, so in our previous lecture we discussed about that. Suppose in a beaker B and C is partially miscible, at that time we add some amount of A, then system becomes miscibility of B and C is increases. It means miscibility power of B and C increases and tie line becomes shorter. Okay, so by adding a large amount of A, these two system B and C is becomes homogeneous. Okay, so at that point the system becomes homogeneous is known as critical point or plate point. Okay, so here we can see that it decrease in temperature. Here two binodal curve are obtained in this case in two pairs of partially miscible liquids. First one is ADB and second is CFD. But if I decrease temperature, it means decrease in temperature, these two binodal curve are brought out and overlap into one another. It means two binodal curve becomes only one at decrease in temperature, because if I decrease the temperature at then miscibility at that time at lower temperature binodal curve broaden out and overlap into one another due to decrease in miscibility in temperature. It means miscibility means mixing power. Miscibility means mixing power. Okay, so if you know that temperature is decreased, at that time miscibility or mixing power is also decreases. Okay, suppose in a beaker I take water and solute sugar. Okay, so if I dissolve sugar in water at high temperature, then at times sugar is easily dissolved in water. But if I take cold water, very cold water, at that time if I add sugar, at that time sugar is not completely mixed with easily. Okay, so by decreasing temperature the solubility or mixing power or miscibility is decreases. Okay, so decrease in temperature, these two binodal curves are broadened out and becomes only one binodal curve. It means these two binodal curves are overlapped to each other. Okay, so at lower temperature binodal curve broaden out and overlap to one another due to decrease in miscibility in each other. Okay, so the examples which follow two pair systems are, first one is water plus phenol plus aniline. Water plus phenol plus aniline gives two pair partially miscible liquids, same as water plus ethyl acetate plus butanol. This is also gives two pair partially miscible liquids. Okay, so the second theory of partially miscible liquids is two pairs of partially miscible liquids. Here we take three liquids, capital A, capital B and capital C, in which capital A and B is form partially miscible liquids, while same as capital A and C also form partially miscible liquids. It means this is the first pair and this is the second pair, two pair partially miscible liquids. Okay, while capital B and C is form completely mixed liquid, it means at that time only one phase is present and system becomes homogeneous. Okay, and consider three liquids A and B and C are partially miscible in each other. B and C form completely miscible. Here the figure is known as ternary phase diagram. Okay, so two binodal curve are obtained Binodal curve means it separates the two system, different system, homogeneous and heterogeneous. Inside the binodal curve system becomes heterogeneous, while outside of this binodal curve system becomes homogeneous. Okay, and 2 points, capital D and capital F, is known as critical or plate point. Critical or plate points means two ends of tie line merge at one point. At that time, these two, capital N, capital B liquids are completely mixed with together and it forms homogeneous system. At that point, the two ends of tie lines merge is known as a critical or plate point. Okay. So at lower temperature, it means if I decrease this temperature, at that time miscibility power is also decreases, and these two binodal curve broaden out in overlap into one another, and it forms only one binodal curve at lower temperature. At lower temperature. Okay. And the examples of two-pair system is, first one is water plus phenol plus aniline, and second one is water plus ethyl acetate plus butanol. Okay, so this is the second simple types of partially miscible liquids. It is a two-pair partially miscible liquids. Okay, so in our previous lecture we discussed about one pair partially miscible liquids, and this is the two pair, and our next theory is three pair partially miscible liquids, which is also same. All the explanation of one pair, two pair and three pair are also same. Okay, so I request to you, first complete one pair partially miscible liquids, then after you can easily write about two pair partially miscible liquids, and same as three pair partially miscible liquids. In three pair partially miscible liquids, AB, AC and BC, it means all the three pairs are partially miscible. At that time, three binodal curve are obtained. Okay, so in next lecture I will explain about three pair partially miscible liquids. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.